beautiful work underneath. Why is this one of your favorites?
Traditional type hot rod, which is my style. Plus, it's just clean and well done.
So I know that you're kind of like the Model A guru, and you really have a passion for these cars. You know these more so than I do. What subtle changes did they make on the front end here that we're looking at? Is the grille a little different than normal?
Well, no, and it's a little nicer. Everything fits really well. I mean, you look at the grill bars, the curves, the grill bars, everything just fits really good. They did modify the fenders, I think, on this one. Very subtle, but just to even them up, straighten them out in the front. If you look at their build photos, you can see it. But yeah, I mean, everything's so subtle. You really don't even, it's not obvious, you know?
I just noticed the fenders look like they're molded. Because before they bolted to the frame. Am I seeing something different?
No, yeah, all these closeouts and everything, that's all custom made. The spreader bars, you know, get these nice curves in front and rear on this car. That's beautiful. Just in the details, you look at the brakes, the scoops, the little aluminum pieces, and the brass screens. Just details like that is love.
And there's a lot of chrome on this one.
There's a lot of chrome on this one.
And they like chrome.
I mean, look at on the steering, you got the little leather straps. I mean, just so many details. Everything's just well done.
So what's
everything
with the...
fits well. Any questions?
Yes, absolutely.
Is this your car? Well, heck yeah.
I'm looking for you. How did the color scheme come about?
We had a heck of a time with that. We started about 2.5 years ago trying to figure out what we wanted, what color we needed to do this, because that butterscotch car was so different. If you look up Phil Becker 1932, you'll see it's a butterscotch, and it's totally different than anybody else's stuff. But anyway, we wanted that same wow power and stuff, and we had a heck of a time trying to figure that out. And last year at the Chicago show, we went up there as spectators and stuff, and my wife Deb and stuff, she went off by herself and stuff, and she come back and she grabbed me and she says, I found the color, and it works really well.
It's amazing. I love it. I mean, everything about it.
Thank you.
I mean, the quality, the attention to detail that you have. I mean, I haven't seen any imperfections anywhere. And you know what it's like when you go to a show. That's why sometimes I don't like going to regular local car shows, because you know, I don't want to be that guy, you know. But
it has so many small things that are done to it, on the windshield and the fenders and the grill shell and the hood, and they all look somewhat stock, but they're not.
Right.
And the gas tank has all been cut up and curved, and the spreader bar and stuff has all been curved. The tail lights are all hung in a different spot. All those are original 32 Ford seats that are in there.
Yeah.
And we made the backs for them, and that chrome ring that goes around it that looks so pretty actually was the superstructure for the original seats.
No kidding.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
All I had to do was clean them up. I mean, they never got dirty hardly at all, and never got scuffed up because they were covered up in boat show.
Right, yeah.
So they chromed up really nice, and it, you know, why? And we just figured, why change something that's going to look so neat, and it's right there.
Wow, it's amazing. It looks beautiful. I just absolutely love it.